Good morning everybody, and welcome to another vlog of mine. I'm here at the Idlers event at Tsukuba racetrack. It's the second run of the season and I'm here with my Honda S2000. Last time I came here I had a problem with the differential, basically blew, and you can see photos of it on my Instagram. Having said that, today I have a new differential, two-way LSD from Cusco and a greedy cover, so it should be a little bit safe. I'm still waiting on my DEF oil cooler. Other upgrades done to the car are obviously suspension. I've got Tane installed. It's a semi-racing suspension because I'm using this car also on the road. And I've got 18 kilo springs on it, NK wheels, and a few tiny little upgrades on the engine. I was mostly focusing on cooling of the vehicle because I'm trying to get this thing going for the 12 hours race at Motegi in August, which is bloody hot. So there's still a few more upgrades to come, less visible from the outside but more related to the overall outcome of the vehicle. Other upgrades are just the exhaust manifold, which is a reduction of weight basically by approximately 3 kilo, and a full titanium straight pipe at the back for, well, better acceleration. I wouldn't say that. Also weight reduction and sound effects. That thing just sounds nasty and I love it. What else is done? I've got plasma coilovers. Ignition coils, sorry, plasma ignition coils and racing spark plugs. Other than that, it's basically fairly stock. And it does make a lot of fun. It generates a lot of fun, to be honest. And 240 brake horsepower and 1,200 kilo is nice to drive. And I'm not enjoying it as much as I enjoy the Roadster, but it's Idlers and it's more ghetto, at least in my opinion, so I just want to keep it that way and follow up on a tradition that Andrew implemented by just making the car look the way it does look and try to keep it alive and fast at the same time. Other upgrades I will perform on this vehicle is with the time carbon fiber bonnet, carbon fiber trunk, get rid of the electric roof. I don't know if I'm gonna put a hard top on or not. It's just a few more kilos and I think that's about it when it comes to weight reduction. Yeah, of course, doors and stuff like that is also a necessity with the time. It would be great to get the car under 1,100 kilo. Nevertheless, it's a long way to go and I have to watch the budget since I'm paying for it myself, and I've got 2 kids and a dog, and a wife. Quite disappointing try at the idlers with my Honda S2000 yesterday. I'm here at Motegi circuit to finally get my license for bikes, racing license for bikes. I haven't done that. I've been riding bikes for over 4 years now, mostly on public roads. Had one shot at a circuit, it was a couple of weeks ago here at Motegi as well, which is like literally 45 minutes from where I live. And the bike of choice is my ZX25R, just because it sounds great and it feels awesome and it doesn't have much power. So I want to make up for what I missed out. Another thing is those license taking opportunities are not very often happening here, and I just want to have it done. I do have a 4-wheel license for this racetrack, also for Tsukuba and Suzuka. And I have a category A racers license here in Japan, because I participate in the Roadster race series called Party Race, which is important to me, at least. And having said that, I am I got my ZX25R, which I'm going to introduce to you in a bit of a time. There's some guys just getting ready right now and don't want to disturb them. There is no modifications to the engine nor gearbox done. It's basically stock. I have a YSS rear shock absorber adjustable that's been put on, Sunstar front brake disc, and Daytona Golden's as brake pads, front and back. I also changed the rear Sunstar, one of them. I changed the rear sprocket to a much lighter one. It's, I think, 48 teeth. Top speed of the bike is 192 kilometers an hour. Muffler is a racing Yoshimura muffler on it, and I exchanged the main cylinder to Brembo, the brakes of course, for the front, and the clutch is just color matching Japanese manufacturer. That looks good. Back steps are of make of, hold on, I forgot, Yoshimura, I think. Yes, Yoshimura back steps, as you can see. Yoshimura muffler. Front brisk is a Sunstar, over pulling that stock Kawasaki calipers still, and brake pads exchanged. Of course, some guarding for the engine, YSS rear suspension, and sprocket at the back is also not stock. I am using an airbag safety, and forehand clutch lever, as well as Brembo
for the brakes, and I exchanged the brake hoses. Of course, mirrors removed for the track, and I still have a little bit more space to go. For today, I'm gonna lift it up, see how low I can get the bike, and we take it from there.
The team, there's 5 people taking the license today, and we got our safety briefing. We got the rules and regulations of this GP racetrack, and now we're getting basically ready, getting our suits going, helmets. I've got a airbag as well, amateur rider gear, etc, etc. We'll be doing approximately 80 kilometers an hour. We're gonna get out on the track, get a feeling for it, and go approximately 80 k's an hour. Then 3 laps in, we're gonna come back to practice pit in, and then we increase the speed to 120 and see what happens. So let's have fun. First run, we had a practice run with an instructor ahead of us. We were taught how to enter the racetrack, how to exit the racetrack, how to maintain a safe speed in a pit lane, and pay attention to flags which are being waved all along the racetrack. We were traveling, the first 3 laps we were traveling at a speed of approximately 80 kilometers an hour on the straights, just to get a feeling, just to get a better understanding. Then we came back into the pit lane, checked the tires, so we get a better understanding of how they warm up while riding. And then the second part of the free run, after we exited again on the racetrack, we increased the speed to 120 kilometers an hour and performed some more fun related runs, I'd say. I hope you guys could enjoy a free slow run at Motegi. I'll try to record a little bit more on a second run. I still have some battery on my GoPro, so that shouldn't be a big deal. And hope you like it. I'll try to make vlogs like this more often, a little bit more educational as well, or stuff that I'm learning, to show you that everybody's able to do a few things here in Japan. Just the one most important part of it is to be able to speak the local language, no matter where you are, whether it's Japan, China, whatever, Germany, England, you name it. It's good to speak the local language. You meet people and you get to do things which are fun. I like motorsports, 4, 2 wheels, off-road, whatever. So I'm doing it. You have the opportunity to chase your hobbies and your desires wherever you are. during this last run, you could have witness how different flags are being applied, and allows to get a little bit of better understanding when it comes to the safety runs on these circuits here. So remember always to put a lot of attention to safety in the first place. So, thanks a lot for watching, and see you in the next vlog.